you, and welcome back to Pond House Garden. I am sneaking off in my truck right now. I'm escaping from work because I'm going to go to our local garden center who's hosting an open house for Christmas today. And I wanted to get into the spirit and maybe have a cup of something hot like some apple cider while I'm there and look through all the different pots and planters and water features that they have. There's just something magical about walking through an outdoor garden center, holding a cup of warm something, and just being there and listening to the music and being with everyone else who is shopping for Christmas as well. Now, needless to say, I'm not going to be able to find a lot for Mom because Mom frequents this place often enough that she's bought most of everything that she wants from there, but I may be able to find one or two little things that I can surprise her with. So off we go. So this is the Old Farm Garden, and it's located here in Duncan, British Columbia, and this is the annual Christmas open house. It happens every year, and Mom and I come without fail. This year, it is not cold though. It's 13 degrees, there is no ice, there is no snow, and so we're walking through pretending like it's a winter wonderland. A few of these in the backyard, and they are gorgeous. You can't tell because the sunlight isn't here, but there's glass all the way through here, and so the sunlight picks up all these different colors. They're just gorgeous in the summertime, but rightfully so, they are still really pretty in the winter too, when the sunshine isn't straight on them, because they're so cool. Like, they've got all these little bubbles in the finish here, and they're unlike the glazed pots which we're used to. Here's some more over here, and it's in the sunshine. I don't know if you can see it, but it is so pretty. All the different blues and grays that show up in the sunlight. And I leave these outside fully planted in the winter time. Haven't had a problem yet, knock on wood. Nothing has cracked and I haven't lost them. But again, they should be, well, they're not planted here, but I find I'm more reassured to plant them, and that way it's less subject to it freezing and cracking.
Cheers.
No, I got in here and I snuck away from work. Look at how pretty. Look at these. Are they? They're wooden tin. Oops. Gotta move that again.
There was 3 sets.
Yeah. And you already
Got one. I got one.
Oh, I like these. Happy holidays, ho ho ho. Oh, I thought they said no. No, it's Noel. And look at this, $6.95.
That's a great
Yeah,
price.
you can't make it for that.
Nope.
Ooh, I might have to pick some of those up for on top of Christmas presents.
I just bought
Oh, look at, oh, I love this combination. Is this actually for a, whoops. Yes, oh, it lights up.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it lights up.
Let's just see.
Oh, it's exciting. Just turn on. Oh,
Sweet.
yeah.
Let it snow. No, not really. We're not ready for snow, but isn't that cute?
Yeah.
And the
There's
little
more of them.
Look at
Oh,
that.
and that little tree.
I know. Look.
Are they metal or are
No,
they wood?
they're wood.
They're wood.
This is metal.
That's metal. Yeah, I like that one.
Isn't that
Yeah.
nice?
Oh, there's a few more over here too. Oh, look at these. Mom, can you pick that up? My hands are full with my cookie and my
What would you
shopping.
pick up?
This one right here. Look at.
This one?
Yes. Look how cute that is.
Look at
Oh,
the little hand trowel.
yes.
How sweet.
So it hangs on the tree.
Mm-hmm. And that is $15.95 because it's glass.
Okay. And look, a little ladybug on there too for good luck.
Good luck.
This would look really cute with lights in it too. Everywhere I look, there's something else that I want.
Yeah, look at those little trees there, little metal trees. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, that's really nice.
Wow. Look at that.
And is it a candle? No, it's not a candle holder.
Nope. No, but just reflects with the sun. It would
Yeah.
reflect on the wall, right?
Hey, I know that. I've bought that for someone special in my world before to put a succulent in.
There you go.
Bet your mom didn't see these. Maybe I could sneak it into the truck before she realizes that they're in the store. Aww. He's got a little bell. So we come here every year.
Yes.
And every year we say, we don't need a thing. We just want to get into the Christmas spirit.
Yeah.
And within 5 minutes of walking in here every year, don't tell Dad, we have about 10 items put aside.
We do. We do.
We
got
just
quite
had-
a large area too.
They kind of give us a table to put all of our stuff onto. Don't tell Dad. We came outside for some fresh air. We're gonna regroup, grab something warm to finish walking around with,
Yes.
and make a decision as to how many items we are buying to go into our collections. All of them. What is this for? Is that for our...
I guess that's for, I would think they're both the same. I did. Oh, is this a hot chocolate and apple cider?
Oh, apple
You like
cider.
apple cider for you?
Apple cider, please. Okay, that's enough, Mommy.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Merry Christmas, everyone. My very first apple cider of the year. Oh, such a treat. Oh, these are cute. Look at, you can hang these out. They're little lights you hang out in your garden.
Sweet.
Aww. I like those.
Oh, they're solar.
They're solar?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, of course. You can
Yeah.
see it above there.
Yep.
Oh, isn't that ever smart?
Yeah. Oh, that is here.
Her wing is not looking very good there. She needs help with her little wing.
Oh, it's just
It's hinged.
hinged.
Yeah. But I do like this one for my garden.
Yes, I think she's got
Yeah.
some. Yeah, she's better.
Yeah, I like that one.
And I would think you can bring that up a little bit.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Yeah, I like the height of her.
Yeah. This was just a little too small.
Little too small. Okay. That's the one. She's going home to a new place.
Don't have a mantle like me. It's perfect.
Yeah. It's got a little hook for the stocking.
They're only $40. That's reasonable, isn't it?
No, it's on the whole, so the whole, it's a whole thing, Mom.
Oh my goodness.
All three of them. Oh,
That is really
that
nice.
is really cute. I don't think it comes with these, but yeah. Yeah. All right, I'm just saying goodbye to Mom because she's gone back in for about round 3. She just wants to make sure that she sees absolutely everything there. I am gonna fly back to work. I bought a few decorations for my office and I bought a beautiful, as you saw, angel for the garden. We've been busy over the last couple weeks hanging a whole bunch of outdoor lights in the garden so that by the time I get home, we have dinner together, we can come outside and work a little bit more and enjoy the garden space, even though it's 7 o'clock at night. We actually bought these stringed lights from Costco, believe it or not, and so I'll show you in a future video all about our lighting. Remember, if you liked what you saw in the video, give me a big thumbs up. Also, if you want to see any kind of future video on a specific topic or subject, or you want to know about various places in Victoria, goodness knows I get around, then let me know in the comments below. Remember, you can subscribe for free to be alerted to the very next video. And I believe there's another garden center that we're touring on the weekend, so I'll be sure to post another video very soon of a Christmas walkthrough of a garden area. In the meantime, remember, your dreams can become a reality just like ours have. All you have to do is take the very first step. And you know what? It might be going and wandering through your local garden center, seeing what's in bloom, because believe it or not, there are things in bloom this time of year, and also checking out some of their beautiful seasonal merchandise. Just take a cup of coffee. You can get a to-go cup from somewhere. Maybe you'll be lucky enough to have some apple cider. Take a couple sips and slowly walk through and enjoy the beauty. Have a great day.